Hello students, today we are going to learn with the chapter Identities. This is standard 8 ICSE board. Okay, so here what we can do, we can start with one formula. If you have been given like a plus b and then let's say x plus y, so it might be any number. Okay, please try to understand the concept first, then we'll take one example from your textbook. Okay, here what happened, see there is a no sign in between, that means it is a multiplication, that you have to understand first. So now if you see here, see a is basically multiplied with the whole bracket which is x plus y, and b is multiplied with the whole bracket which is x plus y. So now how do I write here? See, I have to write a, this is the first term, then x plus y, then you have to write with b, but you have to be very careful, the sign you have to consider, there is a plus b, so you have to write plus b, then x plus y. Okay, now how you do it? See, a is multiplied with the x. If you want, you can able to draw like this initially. Okay, gradually if you practice you will understand. So a into x, which is ax, then plus, there is a sign plus, so I have to write plus a into y, that means ay. Again if you see a plus sign, plus b into x, which is bx. Okay, then plus b into plus y, that means by. This is a basic concept. Now let's say one example, like it has been given, like from your worksheet itself, m plus 8, and there is a question m plus 3. So if you see here, I said earlier itself, the m is multiplied with the whole bracket, 8 is multiplied with the whole bracket. So what I have to write first, m, then m plus 3, then plus 8. Okay, you have to consider the sign. See, when it's a plus there is no problem, only the issue when it will be a minus sign. So most of the students make the mistake when the minus sign is there. Okay, we will take that some again. So m into m, again see how you can write m into m into 3, 8 into m, 8 into 3. Okay, so what I do, m into m, this is m square. Okay, many students write m into m is 2m. No, so m plus m, it will be a 2m. Okay, when it's a multiplication, then it will be a square. Please remember that. Then m into 3, again it is a 3m, not 3 plus m. Okay, again 8 into m, 8m, then 8 into 3, that is a 24. Further you can simplify here. If you see here, same form variable, 3m, 8m. Okay, so you can say m square plus 3m plus 8m, which is 11m plus 24. Okay, this is all about your sum. This is your basic formula that you have to be understand first, then this is a sum. Further we can consider, we can take one minus wala term. Okay, so what we can do it here, I will take a minus 7, then one more is a plus 2. Okay, same follow, you have to follow the same procedure here. The formula we have written, a is multiplied with the whole bracket minus 7. See here, what is the only difference is minus 7. So minus 7 is multiplied with the whole bracket. So now what I have to write, a is multiplied with the whole bracket. See, when you write, when you do the sum, just stop in your brain and then you do it. Okay, then you will not make a mistake. A square, a into a, then again if you want I can able to draw like this. Okay, this is a minus 7, that you have to be very careful here, and minus 7 into 2. So what happened here, a square, a into m, that means a square plus 2m. Okay, 2m, then 2a, not m here, it's a variable, so 2a. Okay, a square into 2a, then you have to be careful here. See, this is a minus 7. Okay, into a, if you want you can write minus 7 into a, that will be a minus 7a, so you can write minus 7a. Then again minus 7 into 2, which will be minus 14. So this case you have to be very careful. That's it. Now again same thing, you have a same variable a square 2a minus 7a. So one number is plus, one number is minus. You have to subtract the value and bigger number sign. That is that way you can remember. Okay, so minus 5a. Okay, minus 14. This will be your answer. So this is the one case. It's a very easy, rather you can able to follow the same thing. You can able to do, see, if you want I can give another question, you can solve your own. A plus 3, then a plus 5. Okay, try to solve. If you have any query, you can able to comment me. Okay, then same thing, a minus 3, a minus 6. See, both the minus sign. Okay, one more, a minus 3, a plus 6. So this sum you can able to practice. Okay, now let's jump to the another formula. Here you have one formula, let's say a square minus b square. Okay, so in this case, first of all you have to remember the formula. Based on that, there will be a sum that we will do it. Okay, here whatever a minus b, then a plus b. Okay, so whenever you do any sum here, like in identity, you have to consider as this a term. Okay, you have to understand, for square of first term minus square of minus term. Then what happen? First term minus second term, first term plus second term. So that way you have to remember. Otherwise, if you won't able to understand that, what happen? See, now you have a one, let's say one question, 2a square minus 3a square. Okay, it's like that. So now what will be your answer? See, this is your first term, or you can say this is your a, this is your second term, let's say this is your b. So now what will be your formula? A minus b. That means first term minus second term. You can write 2a minus 3a. Okay, then first term plus second term. That means 2a plus 3a. See, this is the way you can able to solve. Okay, you can further simplify this. Rather, minus a, this will be a minus 1a. Okay, then 2a plus 3a will be your 5a. Okay, if you multiply this, that will be minus 5a square. More or less, what you have to understand is over here, see, this is your first term square, second term square. What is your output? First term minus second term, first term plus second term. It is like this. Okay, now we have one question based on this from your exercise itself. There will be this is the question. See, let's say 57 square minus 43 square. Same thing. See, this is your a, this is your b. This is important question, likely asking in the semester exam. So now what is your answer? A minus b. That means 57 minus 43. Okay, 57 minus 43. Then what happened here? 57 plus 43. Understood this? Now you have to take, see, 57 minus 43, 7 minus 3, 4, here is 14. See, and there will be, I earlier only told, there is no sign in between. That means it is a multiplication. Okay, please don't add, subtract anything. Here 7 plus 3, 0, 1, and here is 100. So now this is a multiplication. The answer will be a 1400. Okay, now here I have observed many students, what they do 57 ka square, like they what they do 57 into 57. They'll get some answer, then they'll subtract from this. No, you have to use the formula, you have to use the identity. Based on that you have to follow the sum. Otherwise it will be wrong, though your answer might be a 1400, but then there is no marks has been given. Okay, so be careful with that. It is not allowed at all. Okay, see, then let's go with the another formula, which is again very easy. A plus b whole square. Okay, then what is the output? A square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, here also you will get one question based on that. See what happened. Even see, in some case what you can write, like See, many students ask, should I write b square here and 2ab at last? Yeah, there is no problem with that. You can write like this also. If you can remember that way, please do that. No issue. 2ab. See, one in the same. There is no problem. Okay, but I will follow this one further. Now, what is your question? Likely 2m plus 4 ka square. Okay, here if you see, like I earlier said, this is a term. That you don't have to say that a b something like that. First term, second term, whole square. Okay, first term plus second term whole square. That will be a first term ka square. 2 into first term into second term, then second term square. So this way you have to remember. So here first term ka square. See, if this is your a, let's say this is your b. So a square matlab 2m ka square, 2m whole square. Please mention other. See, I'll say what people makes a mistake. Okay, 2 into 2m first term, second term plus second term ka square. Okay, here everybody 90% people are making mistake 4m. Okay, they forgot to write. See, this is 2m whole square. So you just don't write 4m, because this is also m ka square, not only 2 ka square. So you have to write 4m square. So you have to be very careful here. It will be a 4m square. Then see what is over here. 2 2 is 4, 4 4 is 16, which is 16m. Then 4 ka square is 16. That's it. See, there is only two step question. But yeah, you have to be little bit careful. You will not make any mistake. See, here you have to do it. 2ab. See, 2ab, that means 2 into first term into second term. So you have to write 2 first, then first term, then second term. This is the way you can able to solve the question. Very easy. Again, they might give any number here. Let's take another any example, like 2a plus 3b ka whole square. So again, first term ka square, that means 2a ka square plus 2 into first term. First term is your 2a, second term is 3b. This is your whole a. This is your whole a. This is your whole b. Your whole number is considered as a. So please consider that way. Okay, then second term whole square, 3b whole square. So what happened here? What you can write is 4a square, not 4a. Again I am saying, plus 2 2 is 4, 3 is 12. Okay, that is your number ka multiplication. You are left with the variable a and b, which is ab, plus again 9b square. Okay, here it will be 9b square. So this is your another formula. Now one more important, which is a minus one. See, same, almost same output, a minus b whole square. What happened? A square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so here what happened? If you see the difference, see what happened here. Here it will be a plus ab. Here it will be a plus ab plus 2ab. Here what happened? Minus 2ab. So this is the difference between these two formula. Okay, let's take one example here, like 2a minus 3b whole square. Same, 2a square, 2a whole square, 2a whole square minus 2 into first term. First term is 2a. Write it down, 2a. Second term, which is 3b. You don't have to write minus 3b. Please, this is your second term. That means 3b itself, only 3b. Okay, then plus second term square. That means 3b ka whole square. So now what happened? 2a square matlab 4a square minus 2 2 is 4, 3 is 12, 12ab plus 9b square. Okay, 3b square, that means 3 ka square 9, b ka square b square. So this is your a minus b whole square. Okay, so this is again very important and very easy. Now if you see, what we have learned earlier, a square minus b square is a minus b, a plus b. See, same formula I am taking, but in reverse formation. Let's see, a square minus b square is equal to what? A minus b and a plus b. Okay, now if they have given anything like they have been given x minus y and x plus y. Okay, so what you can write, x square minus y square. Okay, vice versa. If you see it has been given like this, a minus b, a plus b. So what you can write here, instead of that, a square minus b square. Same way here. So now if I have any question, okay, what happened, like let's see, if I am having value 4 minus xy. Okay, this is your textbook sum, 4 plus xy. But here you have to be very sure. The reason, see, the same term should be very same. Like here 4, here also 4 required. If here xy, here also xy. Only the difference will be here, one case plus, another case is minus. So now what happened, this is your a minus b. See, if I write here like this, a minus b, here a plus b. So what happened, a square minus b square. Same thing here. So what happened, your first term ka square, that means 4 ka square, minus second term ka square, that is xy ka square. Okay, so now 4 square is what, 16. Now here you have to be very careful. Everybody will write like this, x y square. So no, because this is the whole square, that means y ka square and also x ka square. So it should be x square y square. So this is the way you can able to write it down. Very easy. One more question which will a fraction one, but again it's no very simple. If you know the fundamental and the law and that formulas, you can able to solve any question without any trouble. Okay, same thing. See, if you don't able to understand at initial level, just write down like this, ab. Here also you verify this, see, this is 2x, also 2x, 1 upon 5, 1 upon 5, only the difference is sign. So okay, in that case you can able to use this formula. What you can do it, first term square matlab 2x whole square minus second term matlab 1 upon 5 whole square. Okay, if you see 2x whole square matlab 4x square minus 1 upon 5 square matlab 1 upon 25. See, this is the sum. Very easy. Okay, you can able to do it. If you want, you can keep doing, keep watching the video, try different examples from your textbook and follow the rule. That's it. See, I am giving each and every formula with a couple of examples, so that will help you out. Okay, now see what we have learned earlier. One more formula, a plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So based on that, there will be one sum for the a plus b whole square. I am writing the formula again, a square plus 2ab plus b square. See, now what happened, what is my question, 207 whole square. What people will do, 200. See, they are not asking the third standard question to you, as you are in standard 8. So it's not a simple multiplication you have to do. This is wrong. Okay, you have to use the identity. So what you can able to do here, 207 is what, 200 plus 7 whole square. Okay, so now you see what you got it here, 200 plus 7 whole square. That means first term square plus 2 into first term second term plus second term square. So what you can write here, first term square, so 200 whole square plus 2 into 200 first term second term plus second term square. So if you see 200 square, 90% people will write what, 4000. I'm telling you 90%, but it is not, it is a 40,000. If you see, if you don't able to it has to be very tricky. See, 2 ka square is 4 and you have a 20 uska square, that means 4 times 0. If you see 4 and 4 times 0, okay, you have to be careful every stage. Okay, 2 2s are 4, 4 7s are 28, 2800 plus 40, 7 7s are 49, 7 ka square 49. So here you can able to addition. See, you can simple addition is required. You can do directly also, but don't take any chance, because every step, every marks is very valuable. So now here is 9, here is 4, here is 8, here is 2, here is 4. So now your answer will be 42849. So try to be accurate, don't be in rush. Though you might be, understand well, then also people make a mistake. So you have to be very careful over there. Every stage you have to be, take a precaution. Okay. Now what we can do, we can able to go with one cube ka formula. Okay. Or before that we can start with the one square. A plus B plus C ka whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. Okay, this is another formula. See over here, A plus B plus C whole square. So what happened? First term square plus second term square plus third term square. Then what happened? 2 into first and second term, 2 into second and third, 2 into third and first, or you can say first and third. You can write AC or C, anything you can write. If you write AC also, then also no problem. So now what will be your question in exam? They will give something like this, let's say 2A plus 3B plus 5C, okay, whole square. So what happened here? Simple, 2A whole square. So I am not writing, I am writing it directly over here. 2A whole square, that means 4A square, plus 3B whole square, that means 9B square, plus 5C whole square, that means 25C square, plus 2 into, here I will write AB. AB matlab 2A and 3B. So 2A, 3B. Okay, then we will do simplification. 2 into these two terms. 2 into 3B plus 5C. Then plus 2 into 5C and 2A. 5C and 2A. Okay, this will be your first step. Now here what happened? This is your same 4A square, 9B square, 25C square, plus see here 2 2s are 4, 3s are 12. Then 12, this is your value. Then AB variable. Okay, plus 2 3s are 6, 5s are 30, 30 BC, plus 2 5s are 10, 2s are 20, 20 CA. That's it. This is your answer. Okay, so everywhere you have to see basic calculation is required, but then there is a high chance where you make a small error, multiplication error or something like that. Now here the plus sign is there, very easy, no problem at all. But where you get stuck, where in the minus sign. So now it will be like this, A minus B plus C whole square. So what happened? See, remember, your first term will be always same. You don't have to worry about that, A square plus B square plus C square. This part is required as it is, no issue, whether it is plus, minus, whatsoever. But here, what happened? See, now what you can able to write it, 2AB. Okay, this is also same, 2BC, 2CA. I will give you one trick. Okay, now if you see here, see 2A, 2B, 2C is there. Only the hurdle is related to your sign. Okay, so here is a minus sign, then we will get confused. See, you have to remember only one formula. Based on that, everything you can able to do it. You don't have to remember 100 formula in the chapter, not required at all. Okay, there is a way to get it done. So now if you see the sign, minus sign is related, means with the B. So wherever you see the B, okay, whenever you see the B, like here in this case, see here is a B, here is a B, there is no B over here. So wherever is a B, see is a minus sign, you have to apply minus sign, that's it. B here is plus. Okay, same thing, we'll do one sum based on this later on. Let's see another formula like this, A plus B minus C whole square. Tomorrow there will be a sum based on this. Same thing I said, first part is as it is, A square, B square, C square, that's it. Now again write it down, 2AB, 2BC, 2CA. Okay, now if you see this minus sign belongs to C. So wherever you see the C wala part, just write down minus sign, minus minus. Here there is no C, it will be a plus. Okay, that's it. So now let's say sum over here itself. If you have been given like this in minus, okay, 2a plus 5b minus 3c, okay, whole square. What you will write? First term square, 2a square, that means 4ab, okay, then 4a square, okay, plus 25b square plus 9c square. Okay, this is your first part, which is very, replica. There is no change. See, whatever you take, there is same value you have to consider. Okay, same format. Here only same thing. Plus, देखो, see what happened, minus plus a plus b minus c. So here what happened, plus ab same है, plus ab plus 2ab, 2a into 5b, 2a into 5b. This also you can do directly, but don't do. I would suggest let's be, take further one step. That will be fine. 2bc. See, if you want a b c, write it down like this. Okay, 2bc, b matlab 5b, c matlab 3c, 5b then 3c. Okay, then 2ca, matlab 3c and 2a. What happened? 3c 2a. This is all about your first step. Now very simple, 4a square plus 25b square plus 9c square plus 2 2 are 4, 5 are 20, 20ab minus 5 2 are 10, 3 are 30, 30bc minus 2 3 are 6, 2 are 18ca. See, this is your square wala format. Now you have one cube wala. Same, that is also very easy. If you have a plus b whole cube, what is your formula? A cube plus b cube plus 3ab, then bracket a plus b. Okay, how you remember this? See what happened? A cube, first term cube, okay, b cube, second term cube, plus 3, when it is a cube, so you have to write 3, then both the term multiplication, ab. Then at the last, what you have to remember, whole the question you have to just copy here. Same to same question you have to copy. That's it. That is a formula. So if you do couple of time, if you do 2-3 sum, you can able to remember. Okay, very easy. Now what you will get the sum over here like this. Let's say they are given 2a plus 5b whole cube. So how you write it down? First term cube. So here I'll write it down little briefly. 2a whole cube plus b cube. That means 5b whole cube plus 3 into a. A matlab that is your a term. This is your b term. Okay, you have to write whole. Whole is your a term. Huh? Not only 2 or 2 only a. You have to write the whole. This 2a is your a term. This 5b is your b term. So what is your a? Is a 2a. If you want, you can write like this. See, 2a. Okay, b is equal to 5b. Let's say. So now just consider this. A that means 2a. Write down here 2a. B means 5a. Okay. Then I said earlier, same to same question you have to copy. 2a plus 5b. 2a plus 5b. Okay, it's a plus, so it's easy comparatively. I can say that. Okay, now 2a cube. Here again, 2 ka cube hai. It's not a square. It will be 8a cube. 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8. Plus 5 cube. 5 ka cube 125. B cube. Okay, whole cube. See, it's like that. 5b cube. It's like that. So 5 ka cube, which is 125. B ka cube, that means b cube. See. Okay. Now here 3 2s are 6, 5s are 30. 30 AB. Okay, then 2a plus 5b. Okay, now we are left with one more step. You have to write same to same. Don't have to worry. 8a cube plus 125 b cube plus, see now here if you see this is a multiplication. So how you do? See, like it is like this. I'll break it down further. AB 2a plus 3 5b. Okay, so now 30ab is multiplied with this term, 30ab is multiplied with this term. Okay, now if you see 30 into 2, which is 60. Okay, here a into a, which is a square. Okay, there is no b further over here, so what you have to write? Just and just. There is no b here, so what you have to write is just and just b. So a square b plus 30 into 5, it is a 150. Okay, a itself alone, b into b, this is b into b, which is b square. Okay, this is your answer. That's it. Okay, now further you have one more minus. Let's take the minus wala. A minus b whole cube, which is again a cube minus b cube minus 3ab. Then again same question copy. Let's see. If you see here, if you compare the both the equation, the all term are same. Only if you see everywhere the minus sign. Okay, here everywhere the plus sign. Okay, there will be no answer in minus. Everywhere you will find the plus sign. Here there is a question formula itself, there is all everywhere is minus sign. See, so now if you have a one question, same question, let's take 2a minus 3b whole cube. Okay, what happened? First term cube, that means 2a cube minus 3b cube minus 3 first term 2a, second term. See, always I say first term, second term, same thing you have to rhyming. Then 2a minus 3b question as it is. This is your question itself, not the cube, but just only this term. Okay, 2a cube, that means 8a cube minus 27, 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27 b cube minus 3 2s are 6, 3s are 18, 18 ab. Okay, then same question 2a minus 3b. Now last step, 8a cube minus 27b cube minus, see here what here you have to be little careful. This is a minus 18 2s are 36. Okay, a square, a into a square b. Now here 90% people makes a mistake, because the reason what you write minus, but no, this is a minus 18ab into minus 3b. So when minus into minus become plus. Now it's okay, 54ab square. Okay, this is all about your this some minus wala formula, which is again easy, no issue at all. Okay, now there will be a couple of questions based on all this formula. You might ask, there will be a question, a plus 1 upon a is equal to 7. Okay, what do you need to find? A square plus 1 upon a square. See, so now whenever you see the square, obviously you have to follow the square wala formula, which is a plus b whole square is equal to what? A square plus 2ab plus b square. So here what happened? What I can write it down? A plus 1 upon a whole square, which is equal to 7 whole square. What I did it, I have squared both the side. I have squared this side, I squared to this side. Okay, because I need to find out this. See how I am going to get the answer. Okay, this is a typical format, but you can able to remember. Okay, no problem. Only you have to see that it's a required a square, so you have to use this formula. That is again plus, so you have to just square this both the number. Now see what happened. A square, see how you can open this. First term ka square plus 2 into first term into second term plus second term square. Okay, so now here if you see a square plus 2 into first term is your a, into second term is your 1 upon a, plus second term square like everywhere everybody make a mistake here, a 1 upon a का square, 1 का basically क्या हो गया 1 का square upon a का square, 1 का square always 1, a का square is a square. So now what happened here, second term square, that means 1 upon a square is equal to what? Your 49. 7 square is 49. Now if you see here, this will be cut. So now what you are left with, a square plus 2 plus 1 upon a square is equal to 49. Now you required, what is the value required? A square plus 1 upon a square. This is there already. If you see, you can see here, but 2 is there. So I want to remove the 2. then where 2 will go? See, this is a plus sign, plus will come over here, opposite side become minus. So what happened? A square plus 1 upon a square is equal to 49 minus 2. So now what is your answer? Will be a square plus 1 upon a square is equal to 47. That's it. So this is very easy again. It's very simple. You can able to do it. Same thing if you have a minus. See last sum over here. Okay, a minus 1 upon a. Let's say there is a question is equal to 2. What you need to find out is same thing, a square minus a square plus 1 upon a square. That you need to find out. So if you see here, just follow the same thing. Your question, square the both the side. Simple. This is your question. Square it. A minus 1 upon a whole square is equal to 2 ka square. So what happened here? Same. A square minus 2 into first term into second term plus second term square is equal to 4. If you see here, cut the a. Now a square minus 2 plus 1 upon a square is equal to 4. A square plus 1 upon a square is equal to, see, this is a minus sign. So please make sure people will make 4 minus 2. No, it's not like that. This minus sign, minus 2 will come opposite side, become plus. That means 4 plus 2. So what will be your answer? A square plus 1 upon a square is equal to 6. Your final answer. These are 2 mark or 3 mark sum. If you don't make any mistake, you can able to encash it. Okay. So I think this is fair enough for today. Please practice. If you have any query, please message me. Bye. Take care. All the best.